Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be teaching you on the family. I'm going to describe the family using two articles, and that is article a, the, and the pronoun my. In French, articles and pronouns can exist in two forms, which is masculine form and feminine form. The masculine form for a is un, and the feminine form is point. So also, the masculine form for the is le, and the feminine form is la. The masculine form for my is mo, and the feminine form is ma. Now, let's use this to describe the family. Allons-y, let's go. Le grand-père, the grandfather. Un grand-père, a grandfather. Mon grand-père, my grandfather. La grand-mère, the grandmother. Une grand-mère, a grandmother. Ma grand-mère, my grandmother. Le père, the father. Un père, a father. Mon père, my father. La mère, the mother. Une mère, a mother. Ma mère, my mother. La sœur, the sister. Une sœur, a sister. Ma sœur, my sister. Le frère, the brother. Un frère, a brother. Mon frère, my brother.
Le garçon, the boy. Un garçon, a boy. Mon garçon, my boy.
La fille, the girl. Une fille, a girl. Ma fille, my girl. Le fils, the son. Un fils, a son. Mon fils, my son.
Le bébé, the baby. Un bébé, a baby. Mon bébé, my baby. Question time. Interpret in English. Ma grand-mère. Ma grand-mère. Interpret. Bravo. Mon père. Mon père. Excellent. Un fils. Un fils. Très bien. Le frère. Le frère. Wow. Une fille. Une fille. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Au revoir. Bye.